Hey everyone, okay, we're back. So I thought we would do one more tutorial. So let's do one single eyeshadow all over the whole eye. So the first thing we are going to do is just to define the brow, because it gives us a reference point of where things are. So I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer just to the brow bone area. So I know I don't want to hit that. It's just my reference point of when I'm doing eyeshadow. We're just going to use one colour. Let's just use a basic brown. Basic like me. I like to pick up some colour and I like to just take it onto the back of my hand, just knock it off. Once again, the mirror is just 1,000 miles away. On the outside corner of the lower eye, I'm going to start right here. Lovely. I'm just going to take it up. Oh, this is what happens when you can't see what you're doing. Get it together, Gossy. Okay, so we'll just take it up. So it's level with the outside of that brow. And now I'm going to just kind of smooth out these creases in my lid and just take it in. Okay, not being particularly clever, as one can see. Oh, look at that. So I watch other people do their YouTube channels and their camera's like up here and then they've got this mirror right in front of them and you can't see it on camera. And my camera's like where my finger is right now. So you see the mirror. It's just a pain in the tits. It really is. So I'm just going to fill in this outside corner. Okay, just fill it in. Just be as disgustingly messy as you want. It's fine. I'm going to take my number 17 brush. And I'm going to deal with this in a minute. And I'm just going to go back and forwards into the crease of the eye and blend it out. And I'm going to blend it all the way up here to contour this part of the eye. And I'm going to stop where I see that colour. And then just blend it. I like to stabilise the skin. Letting it meet it. Back and forward. And you can re-add if you want a little bit of deepness on that outside corner. But don't forget, regardless, to just bring it in. Okay, so let's just deal with this absolute atrocity that's happened. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to see if I can get it to blend. Because it may blend. Yeah, it's not too bad. But I'm going to go in with a concealer to just to take down that kind of overspill where my mirror is just too far away. I need somebody to come here and they'll be like, now this is what you need to do with the lights, and this is what you need to do with the camera, and this is where it needs to be placed. And then I'm like, oh, sounds nice. It sounds very, very expensive. I think I won't bother, thanks. Okay, so right here, I just need to clean it up. So just a little bit of concealer, just clean that area up, just a wee bit, because we don't want to aggravate the outside corner when we're older. And that's just one colour, right? And all I need to do is really curl my lashes and see where we look, see how it looks. Let's just make sure this bit's up here, nice and high here. Just fade that into the brow a little bit more so we get that kind of sharper look. And I'm just gonna, oh look, hello. Just gonna just take that bit, just a little bit more, little touch. And then make sure there's that concealer just to take away the edge. Okay, let's curl some lashes. There you go, quick, simple, one single eyeshadow colour all over the entire lid. Taking it up and out like I do, underneath, join, and then just blend it out. And it looks absolutely fine. It's just a nice, neutral, medium brown shade all over the entire lid. A little bit of mascara, because I can't be asked to just spend ages doing this. I'm just going to go and wash my face now, you know. I'm going to wash all this gorgeousness off. But there you go, it's all right, just one single shade. That's it. Define the brow so you know where it ends, you know where not to come up, and then just, you know, blend it. Just look your gorgeous self with one eyeshadow. Alrighty, I'm going now. I'm off to wash this mug. See you all soon. Bye bye.